Hello student, welcome back. In today we are discussing about ratio and proportions related problem, right? In previous video we already seen that or solved that some problems, right? So here first problem, 30% of A is equal to 0.25 of B is equal to 1 by 5 of C, and find out the A is to B is to C. So how we will solve, right? So firstly we compare first two statement. Which two statement? These two statement firstly we compare to each other, right? We already seen in previous problem, right? 30% of A is equal to 0.25 of B. So स्टूडेंट मुझे यहाँ पे ये बताइए 30% मीन्स हाउ मच 30 डिवाइड बाय 100. क्लियर. एंड ऑफ मीन्स वॉट multiplications with A. And student you know that 0.25 means what? That is 1 by 4, right, into B. If you have some problem about 0.25, so I write here, okay, 0.25 is equal to, यहाँ पे देखो पॉइंट के बाद कितना नंबर से, दैट इज 2. सो यहाँ पे 25 डिवाइड बाय 100 एंड 25 वन ज़ा 25 फोर ज़ा, राइट. सो इस तरीके से यहाँ पे 1 by 4 आता है. क्लियर. सो यहाँ पे 0 0 कैंसल आउट. सो यहाँ पे 3 by 10 into A is equal to 1 by 4 into B. Okay. So A as it is and B move to the left side. So A divided by B, 1 by 4 as it is, and 3 by 10 are moving to the right side. Then numerator convert into denominator and denominator convert into numerator, right. So student here 4 and 10, so both are even numbers, so that is divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So 5 divided by 2 into 3, that is 6. 2 into 3, that is 6. नहीं क्लियर हुआ तो यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं. 1 into 5, नीचे यहाँ पे है 2, यहाँ पे है 3. सो 1 into 5, 2 into 3, that is 6. So A by B is equal to 5 by 6, and we write here 5 is to 6. So A is to B is equal to 5 is to 6. Clear. चलो move up these two terms. So then B compare with C. So these two terms. Okay. Firstly I write here 0.25 of B is equal to 1 by 5 of C, right. So again 0.25 means 1 by 4 of, that is multiple with B, 1 by 5 as it is of against, that is meaning of multiplications with C. So student B as it is and C move to the left side, then multiplications convert into denominator, and 1 by 5 as it is, and here 1 by 4 is moving to right side, then 4 by 1. So 1 into 4, that is 4, and 5 into 1, that is 5. So B divided by C is equal to 4 by 5. So that is meaning of B is to C is equal to 4 is to 5. Clear? So we have A is to B and B is to C. So simple, find out the A, B, C. So A is to B is to C, 5 is to 6, 4 is to 5. Simple, I put the values of their ratios. Then 5 fours are 20, 5 6 are 30, and 6 fours are 24. ओके स्टूडेंट, यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया। अब यहाँ पे देखिए 20, 24, 30, राइट। सो these three numbers are even numbers, so that is divisible by 2, or any other number. So 2 tens are, 2 12s are, and 2 15s are. So 10 is to 12 is to 15. Okay, here अब इसके बाद यहाँ पे कोई कॉमन नहीं है, सो डेट इज अवर फाइनल आंसर। ओके, सो ए इज टू बी इज टू सी इज इक्वल टू 10 is to 12 is to 15. So that is our answer. So what we will do, firstly we compare two first two terms with each other, find out the A into B, then after that compare with B to the C and find out the B is to C, then find out the A is to B, B is to C. Simple student, I hope you understand very well and you are doing study also well, right? So let us move on second questions, right? If 1 by third of A is equal to 25% of B is equal to 20% of C, then calculate A is to B is to C, and also here also there are 4 options available, right? Which is the correct? So firstly we solve. Okay, so what we will do, so firstly we compared two terms with each other. Which two terms? So that is the two term. Okay, and find out the A is to B. Okay, then these two term B is to C, find out the B is to C, and then A is to B is to C, right? So this is the way, this is the way where we will get our answer, right? So how we will solve? So we move on. Okay, I write here 1 by third of A is equal to 25 by 100 of B. So 1 by third of means multiplications with A, and 25% means what? 25 divided by 100, right? 25 divided by 100, that is means 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, of means multiplications with B. So here A as it is B to the left side, so move to the denominator side, and 1 by 4 as it is, and 1 by third are moving to right side, then 3 by 1. Okay, 3 by 1. So 3 ones are 3 and 4 ones are 4. So A divided by B, so we can write here A is to B A is equal to 3 is to, just 1 minute, A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4. Clear out, student? Is this clear? First two statement A and B equate to each other. Okay, find out the A is to B. Okay, move on. Second part. Which second part? Compare B with C. Right. So I write here 25% of B is equal to 20% of C, right? So student, again 25% means how much? That is 25 divided by 100 multiplications with B. So 20% means 20 by 100 multiplications with C. So 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100 multiplications with B. So 20 ones are 20, 25 are 100 into C. So next step, B as it is and C move to the left side, then denominator side. So 1 by 5 as it is and 1 by 4 is moving to right side, then 4 divided by 1. So 1 into 4, that is 4, and 5 into 1, 5. So B is to C is equal to 4 is to 5. So I write here B is to C is equal to 4 is to 5. So that is the value of B is to C, that is the value of A is to B. Is this clear? Okay, then A is to B, B is to C. What is the value of A is to B? 3 is to 4 and 4 is to 5. Okay, so 3 4s are 12 and 4 5s are 20 and 4 4s are 16. Right. So these three numbers are divisible by 2 or 4 also. So 4 3s are 4 4s are and 4 5s are divisible by 4. So A is to B is to C. So 3 is to 4 is to 5. So that is our answer. And which is the option is correct? 3 is to 4 is to 5. So option C is the correct answer. Is this clear? बहुत easy था, right? If you have any doubt, any queries, please write in comment sections box, and then I will resolve your problem in next videos, right? So let's move on next questions, right? So example number 3rd. So 2A is equal to 3B and 4B is equal to 5C. Then find out the A is to C. A is to C. Here B is absent. Student carefully note that. Carefully noted that B is absent in here. Is here, right? So find out the A is to B, B is to C. But in our questions, A is to C, and there are 4 options are also available. So how we will solve? Firstly, compare with 2 term. So that is first 2 term. So A as it is B, move to the left side, that is A divided by B, and 3 as it is and 2 is moving to the right side, then we take consider as denominator. So I can write here a is to b is equal to 3 is to 2. Clear? Then 4b, sorry, is equal to 5 is to c. So b as it is, c move to the left side, then and 5 as it is, and 4 move to the is move to the right side, then we take considered as denominator side. So I can write here b is to c, 5 is to 4, right? So find out the a is to c. Clear? So 3 is to 2, 5 is to 4, 5 3 is 15, 4 2 is 8, and 5 2 is 10. So a is to b is equal to 15 is to 10 into 8 is to 8, but find out the a is to c. Find out the a is to c. What is the value of a? That is 15 is to, and what is the value of c? That is 8. So a is to c, 15 is to 8. So 15 is to 8. So clearly show that option C is the correct answer. 15 is to 8. So option C is the correct answer. बहुत इजी था स्टूडेंट, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना? आपको भी इजी जा रहा होगा अगर आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे होंगे तो। प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम में हमने इसी टॉपिक को काफ़ी अच्छे से रिवाइज किया है, वहाँ पे मैंने कुछ आपको होमवर्क भी दिया हूँ। अगर आपने उसे सॉल्व किया तो आप इस वीडियो को अच्छे तरीके से समझ पाएंगे और आपका जो कॉन्सेप्ट है अच्छे से वेल डेवलप्ड होगा, राइट? चलिए अब आगे बढ़ते हैं। हेलो स्टूडेंट, सो दिस इज the second type. This is the second type of questions. 2a is equal to 3b is equal to 4c. In previous videos, compared with two terms, a is to b, then b is to c, but in here there are three terms compared with each other. Okay, and find out the ABC. There are here 4 options are also available. Here 4 options are available, and find out the A is to B is to C. So how we will solve? So firstly I write here questions as it is, right? So student, here that is A term, here B term, and here C term. So here A term, right? So here 2 into A. So student, हमें यहाँ पे 2 को कंसिडर्ड नहीं करना है. Here we do not count 2 in particular this type, that is 2 into A. So हमें यहाँ पे 2 into A को काउंट नहीं करना है, तो हमें काउंट क्या करना है यहाँ पे? 3:4. क्या काउंट करना है हमें यहाँ पे? 3:4. सो 3:4 इज इक्वल टू 12. क्लियर हो गया? यहाँ पे आई बात समझ में? देन so here b term, right? so 3b, so यहाँ पे आप भूल जाओ यहाँ पे कोई टर्म्स है, so we forget that here any term, राइट। सो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, इस 2 इंटू 4 को मल्टीप्लीकेशंस करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, 2 इंटू 4 को मल्टीप्लीकेशंस करेंगे, तो यहाँ पे कितना आ जाएगा, 4 इंटू 2 दैट इज 8, राइट। समझ में आ गया। देन यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे क्या है, c, सो यहाँ पे 4 इंटू सी है, तो हमें क्या करना है, 4 इंटू सी को यहाँ पे भूल जाना है, यहाँ पे कोई वैल्यू है, मतलब हमें यहाँ पे वी डोंट टेक एनी वैल्यू इन सी टर्म, सो विच वैल्यू is considered, that is 2 into 3, so that is 6, that is 6, that is a, that is b, and that is c. So a is to b is to c, so 12, 8, 6, so these 3 terms are even, so that is divisible by 2, so 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, and 2 3 are 6, so a is to b is to c, that is 6 is to 4 is to 3, so a is to b is to c. So student, this is not divide sign, okay, this is not divide sign. So a is to b is to c, 6 is to 4 is to 3, so which is the options are correct, so option D is the correct answer. 6 is to 4 is to 3, option D is the correct answer, राइट। यहाँ पे समझ में आ गया। चलो कोई बात नहीं, नहीं समझ में आया तो हम कुछ प्रॉब्लम और डिस्कस करते हैं, राइट। सो लेट अस मूव ऑन एग्जाम्पल नंबर सेकेंड। सो एग्जाम्पल नंबर सेकेंड, 6a is equal to 11b is equal to 7c. So first how we will solve? So student, firstly I write here questions as it is, not equal, not is to, that is equal, and that is, so I write here questions as it is, right. So then what we will do, so then that is the a term, so we don't take consider any value of a, so we considered 11, we consider 11 into 7, we don't take consider any value of a, so we considered the value of b and value of c. 11 into 7, so 11 into 7, that is 77, right. So that is okay. Then move to the b part, right. So again student, we don't take consider any value or any term related to b, so which value we considered, that is just 6 is to 7, right. 6 into 7, that is 42, clear student. Then move to the third number, that is a c, so we do not take consider any value related to c, then which value we will consider, that is 11 into 6, so 11 into 6, that is 66, and that is the our final answer. This is our answer. A is to B is to C. क्लियर हो गया? यहाँ पे इस तरीके से इसे सॉल्व किया जाता है. क्लियर हो गया? कुछ स्टूडेंट ऐसे भी हो सकते हैं सर, कैन वी हैव अल्टरनेट सॉल्यूशंस. कोई स्टूडेंट ऐसे भी हो सकते हैं, वो मुझे पूछ सकते हैं सर कैन वी हैव अल्टरनेट सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चंस. So I will said I would said yes students, we have alternate step, we have also alternate step. So which we will step? Okay, so we discuss also that is just 6a is equal to 11b is equal to 7c. So firstly we compared two terms, that is just 6a is equal to 11b. Then a as it is, b move to the left side, that is a divided by b, and here 11 as it is and 6 move to the right side, then we take consider as a denominator. So a is to b is equal to 11 is to 6. Clear? Then these two terms, then these two terms, that is 11b is equal to 7c. 11b is equal to 7c. So firstly b as it is, c. So there are 6 problems, and those problems are belongs to is your homework part. So question number first, question number second, question number third, find out the ABC, right? And question number 4, 5, 6, find out the ABC. So student, this is your homework part, राइट और इसे सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए. राइट, यू शुड एट लीस्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व दोज प्रॉब्लम. And if you are not understand very well, then tell me in write through comment sections box. Right? चलो. So B as it is and C move to the left side, that is denominator part, and 7 as it is and 11 is moved to the right side, then we take consider as a denominator side. So I can write here B is to C is equal to 7 is to 11. Right? So then what we will do? So A is to B and B is to C is equal to 11 is to 6, then 7 is to 11. Right? So 11 into 7, that is just 77. 11 into 6, that is just 66. And 7 into 7 into 6, that is 42. So A is to B and B is to C is equal to 77 is to 42 is to 66, and we have two solutions, we have two steps. This is a first, this is first solutions and this is second solutions. So you choose carefully which is the best for you, these steps or these steps. Right? Is this clear, student? Is this clear, student? So let us move on third question. So example number third. 4a is equal to 5b is equal to 6c, then find out the a is to b, b is to c. So firstly I write here questions as it is, right? So that is 4a, 5b and 6c, right? So in first terms we don't take consider any value of a. So which value is considered, that is 5 is to 6. Which value consider? 5 is to 6. So 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Then move to the b term. So we don't take consider any value related to b. So which value is considered, that is 4 is to. So which value is considered? 4 into 6. So that is just 6 4s are 24, right? Then move to the third term, that is a c term. So we don't take consider any value related to c. So which value we will consider? That is a 4 into 5. So 4 5s are 20. And here these three terms are divisible by 2. These terms are divisible by 2. So 2 15s are 30, 2 12s are 24, 2 10s are 20. So this is our answer, right? This is our answer, right? So फिर से हम एक बार देख लेते हैं, दूसरा जो स्टेप था हमारे पास उसको भी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे, राइट? सो 4a is equal to 5b is equal to 6c. So first compare with two term. So that is 4a 5b. So a as it is, b denominator में and 5 as it is, and 4 move to the right side, then denominator में. So a is to b, that is 5 is to 4. Okay, then 5b compared with c term. So b as it is and c move to the left side, and 6 as here, and 5 is moved to the right side. So I can write here b is to c, that is just 6 is to 5, right? So we have value of a is to b and b is to c. So 5 is to 4, 6 is to 5. So 5 6 are 30, 4 5 are 20, and 6 4 are 24. So these three terms are divisible by 2. So 15 2s are 30, 2 12s are 24, 2 10s are 20. So that is our answer. So student, you check, this is first and this is second. So ये आप डिसाइड करो कि आपके लिए कौन सा बेस्ट सॉल्यूशंस है, राइट? अब मुझे नहीं लगता कि आपको यहाँ पे कोई डाउट होगा, मुझे तो बिल्कुल नहीं लगता। तभी भी मैं पूछता हूँ आपसे, अगर इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट एनी क्यूरीज सो यू मस्ट राइट इन कमेंट सेक्शंस बॉक्स ऑफ योर व्यूज़, ऑफ योर व्यूज़, राइट।